Hey, this is Colin with Texans Can Cars for Kids. We're here to show you a quick tutorial on our brand new auction bidding platform. We're really excited to roll this out this week. We're going to be giving you a sneak peek at some of the great features that come along with it, including proxy bidding, live proxy bidding. Your login information that you log in on our website is the same for our bidding platform. You don't have to go to a different page anymore. We have it all on one site for you. And then we also have pictures and information for every vehicle on the same screen that you're bidding on. We have our live stream still. We have the live video stream of our auction bay. We also will be emailing you after the auction is completed with the total and all the information that you need before you come into our office to complete the purchase of the vehicle. So we're really excited to roll this out this week. Once again, make sure you're following all of our social media platforms, our Facebook, our YouTube, our Twitter, which is all right here on the main page of our website as well for the auction platform. So if you're going to be logging in again this week for our new our auction platform, basically you'll go in and you'll log in like you always do. I'm going to be using a test username and password, but here's where you'll type in your username and password. And then once you log in, you'll be redirected to this page. So what you can do from here is you can look at the vehicles that are going in that week's sale. You can click here to participate in the live auction, or you can click this new white bubble right here that says live auction, and it also has a hammer as well. So that way you can go into the live auction platform. Now, if you go back to our main auction page, the same two things there, the live auction white bubble with the hammer, and then the blue live auction bidding with the link as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click the white one, and once I click that, I'm redirected to the brand new bidding platform. So as you can see, our address is in the top left-hand corner. It says, "Welcome to Texans Can Cars for Kids online public auction." In the top right-hand corner, it'll tell you welcome your name. So your name will be printed here, and then your bidder number will be right below that. If you ever want to look at the auction rules and fees, all you have to do is click this bubble right here. And then we also have a nice little banner message for you right here as well that shows you, when you can come in and pay and what forms of payment we do accept. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be selling lot number 4, which is right here, a 1988 Chevrolet Astrovan, which is right here. And then we also list the VIN number for you and the odometer if we know it. And then right here on the right-hand side will be where we'll list the condition report. So if it's a runner, if it's a non-runner, what our mechanics found wrong with every vehicle. So this is the video of the auction bay. Right now it's a test image, but this will be where the auction bay image will be streaming from. And then this is the log. So right now we're on lot number 4. We're starting at bid number. Starting bid is at 200, and we're going by increments of $100. So you can see the purple bubble is bidding in progress. And if I want to go ahead and bid, I'm going to click the bid button, and it shows that I am the highest bidder at 200, and that the auctioneer is asking for $300. So if you want to look up close and personal on the pictures, all you have to do is click one, and then you can click next, and kind of cycle through all the pictures that we have available for you. If you want to jump ahead and look at some of the other vehicles that are going up for sale, all you have to do is click one of these images. And if you do scroll down, you see at the top banner that the lot number that you're on, the current bid, which is actually me right now, and the current asking price is always going to be at the top. So that's an awesome feature. We also have a tab that says won. So right now, this test buyer has won 3 vehicles and is about to win number 4. So you can see how much you won them for and which vehicles they were. So very cool feature right here. Let me also show you what it looks like once the vehicle is sold to that buyer. So once the buyer wins the bid, it says sold, and it says, "Congratulations, you have won." So if you are the highest bidder, it will be clear and apparent that you won the vehicle. If not, it'll say that you didn't win and it sold to a particular buyer number. And then we'll move on to the next item. So whenever you log in and you're not able to bid, it'll either say call our number in order to bid, which is also a nice little feature as well. But as always, with every new thing that we're rolling out, make sure you give us a call anytime at 972-274-5437 if you have any questions or need any help or guidance with our new website. But we're really excited to roll this out, and we hope everyone enjoys it.